All right, the materials needed: some red hackle, some oval tinsel, some dubbing material, a black hackle, and some white bucktail for the wing. We've already got our flat tinsel on there for our tag. Now we have to put the oval tinsel on. This is our ribbing. It goes down the middle of the body, so we tie it on the back of the hook. Never tie it on the front. Next we have to put on the little tail here, a piece of our red hackle. You can also use some dyed crest from a golden pheasant here, dye it red. Now we start building our body. Start dubbing it, just like so. This is a good fly, one of the all-time greats too. A lot of history to this thing. This is the longest part of the fly, is getting this body on here. You can also use chenille. I just like to dub bodies, I think it just looks better. Then we take our ribbing, get a little flash through there. Then we take our collar, it's our black hackle here, tie it on. Make sure this gets anchored well. And you just simply hold it back, make your wraps. It doesn't look skunky yet, but it will. There's the skunk, the white stripe. Lay our wing material on there. The thread down on top of it. Try to wrap this pretty tight because you don't want it coming out of there. Take our whip finisher. That's the skunk. Looks skunky to me.